Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be creating this bomb burgundy unit. If you hear any cars in the background, it's because it's 9 a.m. Where I am and it's traffic. So anyway, we're going to start off with this 613 closure. I will try my best to make sure that I link this closure down below so that you guys can purchase if you are interested. And today for this watercolor method, we're going to be doing Vaseline. So like, this is my first time doing Vaseline, and I am going to give you guys some tips because there was a few mistakes that I made, and I actually wound up having to wash out this Vaseline about I want to say maybe like 3 or 4 times because it wasn't coming out. But once we get to that part, I'll explain to you guys a little bit better. But right now I'm just taking the Vaseline and adding it to the lace, and what this does is it protects the knots that are underneath the lace on the other side that are connected to the hair, which keeps the hair onto the closure and frontal. So I'm just adding that right now, just so that the color does not get onto that part, and everything just continues to look flawless, and you don't have to go through and edit anything, take any color off, add any color on, nothing like that. It'll make it so that you are only coloring literally the hair that you would want to be colored, not the roots.
But you knew that, babe. We are not in Kansas, but you knew that, babe. You don't like romances, but I knew that, babe. You tell me what not to, but I do that, babe. You posting for cameras, you take all the shine. You taking the photos, I taking the wine.
So now we're going in with our hot water to the sink. You can do this anywhere you want to. Like, I've seen people do this on their stove. Like, they just get the hot water, put it on the stove, and just continue to let it boil. I will be doing a video like that as well, because I've never tried it on the stove before. I just be so cautious because I'm thinking, like, the hair will touch the bottom of the pot, then the hair will start burning, and yeah, that's just where my mind goes with that. But I am going to try it. So I'm just letting the water get as hot as it will from my sink, which gets pretty hot, so I actually don't have to boil anything. But if your sink does not get that hot, please boil it. So now we're just going in with these 2 colors. We're going to be using Kiss and Avatar. So this is the first mistake. So I would not recommend Avatar. As of lately, since I've been doing the watercolor, I am a fan of Kiss. I have not found any better watercolor method dye that you can use. The Avatar came out way too light, and I don't know if it's because of the amount that it was, but what's so weird is that when I use Avatar to color with the black, then it comes out extremely good. But for whatever reason, this burgundy color, it gave me too much of a brighter red, and I was going for something darker, like burgundy, of course. So now that we're finished with our color, I'm just going to go in and start rinsing off all of the hair with extra cold water. So for this specific part, this is the second mistake that I made. So when it comes to the closure where you put the Vaseline at, you do not want to rinse with cold water. The reason why is because when Vaseline comes in contact with the cold water, it does like a protective thing and it becomes solid and it does not want to move. So you don't want to you don't want to do the cold water, you want to do warm water, but you also want to do this step with the Dawn. So if you were to do the Dawn and the warm water together, then this should be coming out within your first one to two tries, just depending on how doing a silk press. These flat irons that I'm using, they are by Babyliss, and let me just say, this is a pair of flat irons that I feel like every girl should own, whether you are a hairstylist, whether you just do your own hair, whatever. These are the best flat irons that I've ever used in my life. I've been using them since I first found them, and I've been doing hair for about 7 or 8 years now. So yeah, I really recommend these. I will try to remember to link these below and definitely get them. So now we have our finished look. Just flawless, you know, just let the hair move. It has shine, it has luster, it has bounce, honey. And so this is what we have at the ends. If you guys love this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Ask me any questions below, and thanks for tuning in. I love you guys.